We're outside looking at the main body of one of my large-sized AnnieMax stoves. I'm just about to paint it. I thought I'd bring you out here and let you have a look at one of them in the bare flesh before it gets all of the bits bolted on. Missing of the door, the heat shield, the ash pan from down the bottom, and the glass from the door. I'll be painting all of these parts, and then we'll whip back inside and get the thing all assembled. So here we have one of my finished stoves ready to go, all painted up, glass in the door, ash pan fitted, heat shield on. These stoves can be pushed right up close to furnishings and walls in tiny house and house truck applications. My most popular model.